Naples is buzzing right now. Alain Ducasse, master of French gastronomy, has chosen the city as the home of his first ever restaurant in Italy. It's just opened on the 9th floor of the Romeo Napoli Hotel, and judging by the launch night, as well as breakfast the following morning, it's going to be a treat. But it's not the only eating you should do in Naples right now. This much maligned city is on the rise, and there are all sorts of ways to get a taste of its resurgent spirit. As a starter, I'd recommend heading to the Piazza Dante to meet Giovanni Fisciano.
Giovanni, what are we going to see?
We're going to see the true Napoli, the real life in Napoli and the real Napolitan street food.
Okay, let's do it.
Giovanni grew up in central Naples, and on his tour around the edge of the Spanish Quarter, you'll not only taste your way through fish, cheese, ham, bread and wine, you'll also get a sense of how vivid life can be when everyone is living half their life out on the street. You'll also pick up the odd scrap of Neapolitan slang.
So in Naples, they call this a nucuopo, a cup of seafood freshly fried. But what they also mean if they say you are nucuopo is that you are spectacularly ugly. Buon appetito.
You should also beat a path to the up-and-coming district of La Sanita. Your first stop is for a second breakfast at Mario di Costanzo's patisserie on the Piazza Cavour.
I'm Mario di Costanzo. The secret of good sfogliatella are top ingredients and passion for work with hands.
He makes superb sfogliatelle. These sweet ricotta pastries are the city's favourite breakfast treat. They're my favourite breakfast treat too. Then go and explore. I spent a night here at one of the city's loveliest B&Bs, the Atelier Innis, and the following morning, one of the owners, Vincenzo Oste, gave me a tour on the back of his motorbike. But even on foot, it's a weird and wonderful mix of markets, catacombs, art galleries, and giant underground quarries. It's also home to one of Naples' most charming restaurants, Da Pasquale. Here, Pasquale the owner will treat you not just to a simple delicious meal, but the odd Neapolitan song. Buon appetito!